Hi guys, Stu Davison here from NZX Dairy Team with your market update for February the 18th. Busy week here. We've had GDT 278, February the 16th the auction went down. Another surprising result considering this is the 7th consecutive gain the index has seen in a row. The GDT index went up 3%, strongly led this time by whole milk powder moving 4.3% up. The last few auctions have been the cream group providing a lot of the power. This time we've seen whole milk powder come back to the fore. Obviously, demand for whole milk powder was driven by China. There were concerns earlier in the week that Chinese buyers might have been away from the auction with Chinese New Year going on in China. However, that was completely dismissed with buyers at normal levels and participating bidders at normal levels. Skim milk powder gained 0.3% after losing 1.5% at the last auction. So prices have consolidated there about the 3,200 mark. The premium for New Zealand product over EU sits just over $400 per tonne, which is quite nice and obviously greater over US produced skim at the moment too. Butter prices gained 2% at this auction. This is the 10th consecutive gain for butter prices at GDT, which is incredible. AMF, or anhydrous milk fat, has gained 1.1% at this auction to solidify the gains made in 3 auctions ago and are gaining quite well. However, AMF is still undervalued in terms of butter in terms of milk fat basis, which is interesting going forward. However, this is due to butter's increase in prices over the last 10 auctions. Cheddar prices gained 2.4%. This was partially buoyed by Fonterra taking 110 tonnes of cheddar off this auction and also forecasting that they'll remove volumes of cheddar for the coming 12 months. This result of this auction has also pushed New Zealand cheddar prices to the global top. New Zealand's producing the most expensive cheese in the world for cheddar. Once again, good GDT result has driven our forecast up. We've seen our New Zealand Farmgate milk price move to $7.58 per kilo of milk solids. 2 weeks ago that was at $7.51. Purely a lot of this change is the GDT result. Futures have moved up too. Whole milk powder futures have moved over the last few weeks. We haven't seen a lot of movement in the cream group futures. Skim milk powder futures are kind of settling. They were falling a few weeks ago, but they've kind of regained a little bit in the short term. The closer contracts are seeing some support. However, the interesting thing with the futures curves at the moment, which plays into the forecast as well, as there's a forward falling curve for all futures at the moment on the NZX derivatives market, which indicates that prices are expected to fall over the coming 6 months. However, this doesn't always hold true. We might just not be seeing the trading for that point in time yet. However, as an analyst, we also always have a little bit of doubt in the back of our mind. In terms of doubt, we look at the milk price futures on the NZX dairy derivatives market. Currently, September 21 is trading at $7.34, and September 2022 contract is trading at $7.13, and has gained quite quickly over the last fortnight too. So, good lots of milk price futures being traded on the market, which is good. Obviously, there's people seeing upside and downside risk in that futures market too, so very interesting to keep your eyes open on that one. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you for the next market update next week. Cheers, bye.